Hey guys, Coach here. That's it for me today. I'm going to finish up. The training room went 2-1 today. It was our first loss in June. You can track that trade and the other two trades over in the training room. And of course, the results are always posted in the information channel. If you traded today, please feel free to share your results. The only thing that I ask, if you're paper trading, say I'm paper trading and this is my record. And if you're trading a live account, I'm trading. This is my record. I've now, congratulations, Christine. So now Christine, Trey, John, and Christine, Trey, John, and Kayla. All four of you are now in the strategy psychology course. As a matter of fact, I'm grading Kayla's homework now. All of you should have your own individual link for Microsoft Teams. All of you should now have access to the training calendar. I will be out of the office tomorrow morning, which is Tuesday. I'll be in after lunch. That's all for now. I think Friday is a short day anyway. As a matter of fact, a lot of money traders don't like Mike. They don't even mess with Friday. Friday, I only book classes in the morning, and I'll still have some open classes in the morning, but I have to check out at 10 o'clock because I'm babysitting my grandson on Friday morning. So if anybody has any questions, let me know. Again, I'll be out in the morning. I'll be in after lunch. Welcome, Christine, to the Strategy Psychology course. If anybody else has any questions, please let me know. See you guys. Peace.